The money.
Here we go.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor Currency Trader. Right now I'm going over one of the bots that we just put out. This is the one I think I like the best. It's John's SuperProfit Scalper System with no close. This is it running at the bottom. You see it's got a really good equity curve. So I was talking to Todd and talking to Gary, talking to Sharon about this robot. So I was trying to find some of the settings that I liked best and which robots. I sent out quite a few with, time, day, close, all that stuff. So this is the one I think I like the best, and these are going to be the settings that I'm going to send you guys. But this is what the robot looks like, and it uses this indicator. We'll only take the trades when the indicator is in the green or the red. They're just moving average crosses, nothing fancy, but it works. And we are only taking the tails, which works very well, obviously, from looking at it. It's got a little drawdown right now, but did back here too, and it just keeps going up, so it's pretty good. Very happy with the system. Here it is working right now, so take those grids off of there. You see it's got a really nice equity curve, so I'll stop it here and get you guys the settings. Just trying to find something that'll make us some money and make us comfortable. Now, just remember, this is going to make, looks like, hasn't quite hit a month yet, pretty close. So it's going to make, for a $5,000 account, it'll make $3,000, it looks like, maybe $2,500 every month. So if you got something that'll make you two grand a month, even if you knock it down and run at half speed and it made you $1,000 a month, what if you had 4 robots doing that? See, that's the way you want to multiply. Is once you get up here, what I would do is let the money run, whatever it is you put in. When it doubles, you stop the bot and you start over, and you have 2 of them now with a different broker, is what I recommend. Just so this way when you're done, and as you can get up to at least 4 of them, and you have them running nonstop, making maybe $1,500 a month each one, you got 4 of them going, that's pretty good. $6,000 a month. You just stop whichever one you want at that time and start taking money out. So this way you can have a 2-week increment of being paid. Or maybe a week increment. So I mean, if you got 4 accounts, every week you can get paid by another bot. So I mean, the problem is when you get the money, you have to get it, take it to your broker, take either whether it's Bitcoin or whether it's a credit card, depends how it does it. There's still a 3 or 4 day lag in there. So I mean, it's nice to have multiple accounts so that you can constantly have money coming in. And then as you grow the money, you can have more accounts. So, and then the accounts will get larger, so you'll be making more per bot. So I mean, that's what it's all about. It's all about getting to a spot where money is no longer the option. The option now is just, the worry now is just health. And that's a nice place to be instead of worrying more about money and health second. That's a bad place to be. And I know I've been in that spot quite a long time. But now it's going to eventually get to the point where I can start, I think it's almost there, I can start worrying more about my health and less about making money, because the money's coming. And that's what these bots are to help us do. Now, it doesn't mean you have to give up trading. You still trade your own account too. This is just one more income stream, one more way of helping you. So there's multiple types of income stream, and that's the thing you got to remember. And you definitely want to run a business. So once you start making money, you're going to start having to pay taxes. The best thing is to start another business, so something that you like, something you enjoy. If you like wine, it'll be a wine. You just put certain packages together and you sell them. It doesn't mean you have to make a lot of money. It just means that you have the tax write-off now. So now you have one more multiple tax write-off, one more way of saving money when you make money. Because when you start making money, they're going to start taking it from you too. So you need to find a way besides your trading business, which only has so many write-offs. You need another business, and that's why that would help too. So, and if you need advice or help, it's not a problem, because I still run my plumbing company, because I still go out and do small things for certain customers on the side, and it is nice to have the tax write-off. So I haven't given that up. I do not take on big jobs anymore. I'll be done. This is the last big job I did, was that kitchen remodel. After that, it's just going to be something I can fit in a couple hours in the day. Otherwise, I don't want to touch it. So it'll be more of like a handyman service. And it's just for, you know, customers I've had forever. I just can't say no to. They're like family. What are you going to do? Your family calls, you run. That's all there is to it. You just want to help. So right now the bot's had a little pull down. It's coming back up. You see it going in action here. It's pretty awesome. Here's it. And here, the idea is that you get the big trade here. You don't take that trade because this trade could have happened down here and moved all the way up to there. It's just unreliable. So that's why you can't take anything on that arrow. But once you get the tail and you start getting the moving average crosses, that's where the trades start coming into play. And we came out with the first one and we didn't have this indicator. We were just taking the moving average crosses, and then we're starting to lose. In a trending market, we were losing because this thing tries to find tops and bottoms. So, and that wasn't a good thing sometimes. So what we did is revamped it to where it could only find the tops or bottoms when this indicator indicated it was in the red or in the green. So it couldn't take a sell unless any of these were in the sell area. If they weren't in the sell zone, we don't want it. Once it finally got in the sell zone, it just sold off. Look at it go. It tried to get it here, it pulled back up. So hopefully you were able to withstand that pullback. If not, you got stopped out for a small stop, and then you got back in and made it all back and then some. And that's how it works. The whole idea is that you're going to get break-even trades, small losses, break-even, small wins, until eventually you get the big win. And then you're done. So, I mean, that's what you're looking for. Like in here, we had the big win. Small losses, stop out, small wins, and then finally, boom, we got it. Same thing here. It went down again. The market cycles. You can just see it like a wave. It just cycles up and down. Almost like electricity, if you understand electricity, or almost everything works like that. I think it's almost Fibonacci itself. I mean, if you ever drove on the freeways here in LA, that's how it is. You know, all of a sudden you're driving and the freeway slows down for no reason, and then speeds back up to full speed, then slows down again, speeds back up. It's just crazy. I hate driving the freeways here, but that was before COVID. Now I don't really go anywhere, so it's not so bad either anymore. But that's how this thing works. It works really good. I want to make sure, let me stop it right here so you guys can get the settings. See, it's only been, I'd say, just a little over a month, and it made pretty good money, so I'm very happy with it. It's on a 15-minute chart. And this is the bot. It does have, okay, it does have the time and day, okay. So this is John's SuperProfit Scalper system. Has the time, day, no close. It has to say no close to be this bot. And once we got that, we can see here the settings. That just means I stopped it. These are the exact settings I ran right now. So and you don't have to do the two. I was just testing with the two. I recommend just the one. It's fine. So it works out really good. And these were the time and days that I had on it. 7:45 to 16:15, one lot. Ran all the days. So, but if you know you got, you know, a big, for some reason there's a day you don't want it to trade, you just click that off. So right now they're all set to true. You don't want to trade one day, you click it off. For whatever reason, maybe FOMC, something happened, you hear there's going to be a black swan event, anything, click it off, turn it off. But the trailing stop's going to be the 5510. The SRZZ's at 200. I know, Todd, we were testing it on the faster mode, and it wasn't doing good on the 200, but on the medium mode and regular, it does great. So 20 pip stop loss, that's pretty small. You can't beat that. You could even try it, test it, try it on a 10 even. I'll probably do that one next, so just to see how it does. But 20 is not bad. So anyway, this is it. Give it a try. I just want to make sure you guys got these parameters, got the right Robux. I sent you out quite a few of them. Other than that, have a great day, and let's make some money in the market, guys. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.